In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma file so that others can view it. Whether you're collaborating on a design project or simply need feedback, sharing your Figma files might feel crucial. So let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can confidently share your work with others. To begin with, you need to access Figma, which is a collaborative interface design tool widely used by design professionals worldwide. Head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Once you're there, you'll find options to either sign up or log in. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button and enter your credentials. This will take you directly to your Figma homepage where all your projects and design files are easily accessible. Once you're on the Figma home interface, locate the file you want to share. If it's in your recent projects, it should be right on the homepage. Simply click on your project's thumbnail to open it. Doing so will take you into the design view where you do most of your creative work. Now, to proceed with sharing, you'll need to locate the share button. It is usually visible in the upper corner of your Figma interface. Click on this share button to initiate the process. After clicking share, a window will pop up offering various sharing settings and permissions. To share the file with others, look for the section that allows you to share with anyone with the link. Click on this option so that any individual who obtains the link will be able to access your file. The next step is setting permissions for those who will be accessing your Figma file. Find the drop-down menu, which might be in proximity to the share settings, and set the permission level to Can View. By doing this, you ensure that those with the link can only view your file and not make any changes. This is particularly useful when you want to share your file with stakeholders or clients who simply need to review your design without adjusting anything. That's all there is to it. A straightforward process that enables seamless collaboration and critique. Sharing files on Figma not only simplifies your workflow, but also enhances communication with team members or clients by providing them with visual insights and access to your progress. Now, your Figma file is set up to be shared with others to view, and you can send out the link to anyone necessary, confidently knowing they'll only be peeking at your design without changing a thing. And that concludes our quick tutorial on how to share Figma files for viewing. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and you're now ready to share your design genius with the world. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help boost your productivity and enhance your collaboration efforts.